everyone, it's 4 p.m. right now. Quite windy as well out here on Levante Beach. But that doesn't keep the crowd from heading towards the beach. Quite some people around here. This lovely day again. Nice 26 degrees. So actually perfect weather. Take a walk around, see how it's going. The Stars Bar on the right. Quite a crowd over there. Usually it's quite calm, this one. Glad it's finally working out. Further on we got the Bulldog Bar. Let's take a look around the corner how many people are up there. And the restaurants are doing quite well as well. Yeah, quite a lovely day over in Benidorm again. For this night, there's a little bit of rain planned around 11, I believe, at night. But nothing to worry about, just a little, very little. He is taking down the green flag. I think due to the wind, he's going for the yellow one. So yeah, quite a beautiful day out today. Lovely weather, but the sun is very bright and I forgot my sunglasses, so that's not so smart. So I'm heading towards Avenida, Mediterráneo, do some sightseeing over there. In the meantime, guys, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys would give a like. Greatly always helps it, and do subscribe for more videos here on the channel. This is so much better for walking if you don't have sunglasses with you. Got the Belroy Hotel. And let's get towards the other side. That is where most of the bars are. Not that many people in. Got the beer house further down. Happy hour, 5 San Miguel, €10. Quite a normal price for that. Over there cleaning up all the leaves. Yeah, it's that time of year again. And be careful over here because they might get quite slippery. The floor is usually very dry, and the streets as well, and with some leaves under it. Strangely enough, becomes very slippery sometimes. There we got that place that is going to be a new bar, I believe. It was on the internet, I read it about it. Quite a big venue right here on the Mediterráneo. There you got a sort of church is right over there on the opposite. And if you're heading here towards the right, they are ending up on the Calle Gerona. But then on the other side of the strip, where all the restaurants are, or at least were. Nowadays it's more of a bar street getting as well. There we are, got winners. And everybody is watching football currently. And as well, some people are going for a meal already. Early dinner. And some parts open up later, like over here.
Se la dejaba ahí partida y a medianoche ya...
There we got a bus dropping people off for holiday. And while I'm nearly at Old Town, I'm not heading in there, that's for another time to visit that place. Let's return by the beach where many bars are, see how they are doing. If I might guess quite well, because loads of people over here. At least not on this part of Benidorm, but the bars are filled up. Definitely are. I think over here is the same case, loads of people watching football. Well, not that many over here. It's the final minute.
Go back to Well, I'll go straight to the back here now.
Slowly on, some clouds are coming from behind the mountain, from Albeer. See a few in the distance over there. Let's hope they stay there. It's lovely out here with the sun. And I'm not the only one thinking that. Even over at Daytona, completely packed up with people. And let's close off with all those jet skis going on in the distance. Quite a lot for today. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to give that like, do subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.